Do y'all see that? Not the tracks, you don't. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before I get into this B-part no leave out wig install, you don't believe me? Hold up. Clip out. Okay, my hair is pushed down over here. No leave out. I told you. Clip it back. Do y'all see that? Not the tracks, you don't. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their new bye-bye leave out B-part wig, and I'm pretty excited about this one. You will need to cut in the middle here to, you know, open that up. So I'm just going to cut right down the center. There's a stitch right here in the front, so it won't unravel past that point. Well, it shouldn't unravel past that point. So this is how it looks once you do that. How long is that parting space? I'm so used to these parting spaces being 5 and 6 inches, and that's too much for me, especially for my head, because y'all know I got hair loss. My hair loss is mainly in the middle of my head. So let's just measure this really quick. What is that, 3 inches? 3 inches. I don't have to deal with a bunch of leave out. This is gonna be perfect. Let me go ahead and get my hair ready because I need to get out the door. I'm catching a flight in about 3 hours, so I need to go ahead and get to the airport. So this is gonna be my airport wig today, but by the time y'all see this video, I will be already kai in the sky. Y'all saw I did prep my wig and I used the Doux Mousse Def. I like that. Mousse Def, I like that. This is the texture foam all-in-one styler for all hair types. I did try the Crazy Sexy Curl last time, and I wasn't really a fan of this one. It was a little bit more sticky than I would have liked. This one is more lightweight. When you wet the hair, it does clump the curls a lot faster and quicker, and I barely had to do any finger coiling, so you know that is always a plus. I did blow dry it down. It's pretty much dry. I have a little damp spots in there, so it's not 100% dry, but it's pretty much like 90-95. Let me put on my wig cap because I want the rest of my hair to be protected. Yeah, I think that's about good. If I put it here and I come here to the front, oh yeah, pretty much perfect. Don't clip in my hair yet. Wait a second. But I do want a side part today, so I'm just gonna do a little something like this. Tuck that. Try and do no leave out. Where's my rat tail comb? You know what? I don't feel like going to get it, so I'm just gonna use my bobby pin. Be better than me, okay? There we go. I do not care for these combs or clips in the front, but we're gonna use it. Kind of tease up my root a little bit. It did send me an elastic band. Let me put that in really quick, so I want to make sure this is as snug as it's gonna get. Now let's put it on around my head. Here we go. It has that lace on the unit, so it looks more like it's coming from the root. Because I want to make sure mine is going to be teased at the root, I'm gonna tease my natural hair down like this, and I'm gonna clip it right behind that part and then clip it in place. So when you tease it, your hair mixes in with that lace and that track. Tease it back and then clip it right after the part. You don't want it to be right on the part. If you put it right on the part, you'll have that track look. You don't want the track look. Tease it, tease it. Keep on teasing and teasing and teasing. Bump it out if I need to. The cap is a little big in the back. I'm gonna take it and just cross it over and bobby pin that down so that it's a little bit tighter. So you just cross it over or flip it over itself and bobby pin it in place. Hold up, I gotta fix this part. It's not exactly how I want it. Let me just tease up some of my hair. So I bump my hair out and then I clip the unit right behind the bump. so I can hide that track look so it's not so harsh. I'll fill some of this in with my product. Use some of my Toppik just so it's not so thin, so I can blend in that track with my natural hair. Brush it out. Y'all see my grays in the front? Ooh, these kids. And Kenny. A little bit right in here in the front. Brush that over. Take my pick, tease the hair back. I may need to cut my front a little bit. I'm gonna add 2 bobby pins on the side. Make sure it's gonna be down on my head and she not going nowhere. There we go. I'm gonna cut these ones right here in the front. That's me right here in the front. My hair came out from under it, but y'all see how that blends? Yeah. Okay, Blendiana. A little bit more lift here. As I tease it, it gives me a more, you know, like natural look. This is still the wig right here. That is not me. I'm still tucked under here. Cut this. Trim what you need if you have to. You can see my cap in there. Hold up, let me just bring that down a bit. This took no time at all. Hello. I needed to fill in right here. Right, did it do it? Right there, I think. There we go. And to make sure that's not gonna move, I'm gonna use a little bit of my hairspray, just a smidge, just to make sure it doesn't go nowhere. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then we will come back with the final look. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. What we think? Don't all type at once, cause I know. This Bye Bye Leave Out V part is nice. This is what I want in a V-part wig. The curl to the root gives me a natural look with less leave out. If I gotta use leave out, I don't want it. I really don't want it. This is as natural as you're gonna get for a V-part unit, no leave out. And it gives me just enough parting space to show off my natural parting space without having to do a lot of leave out in the middle. It's only 3 inches. The Doux Mousse Def, yeah, go ahead and grab that if you have not, because these curls are soft and juicy, but still defined. If you're looking real healthy, wig wear. Do y'all see this? Because I know where it is, I can point to it. This right here is a track. But y'all see how my hair flows into that wig? That's what the curl to the rooter would do to you. I did get some shedding and minimal tangling when I did my co-wash. Don't try to rake through the hair dry. You're gonna get tangling. I washed my hair with dish soap and then I conditioned it. I do have a wash wig playlist on my channel, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. But make sure you're washing and conditioning your unit, especially if you're using the dish soap. It does dry out the hair because it strips it down pretty much to the bare bones. It doesn't really matter, in my opinion, what products you use as long as you're washing and conditioning your units, especially when it comes to the HerGivenHair units, because they mimic natural textured hair. Natural hair can get real dry. My hair under here is real dry, okay? So if I want moisture in my hair, I need to wet it and condition it. If you want a natural wig that looks like your hair, you're gonna pay that money for it. So make sure you understand that before you go clicking and commenting. Please don't cuss me out, because I'm telling you now, I don't want to block anybody. The longevity of this wig will pay for itself. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.